Hey, what's up everyone? I guess you saw that kind of sloppy time lapse of me trying to install the motherboard and everything. So I also cleared off the chair with all my LED strips and everything over there because I just installed them into the case, as well as, well, I successfully installed the motherboard, the LED strips, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So I guess I'll give you guys a quick run-up of what the computer looks like already from the insides. I bet right now you can only really see the power supply, the hard drive cage, and the motherboard if possible. And up here is my completely assembled Cooler Master Hyper 212 Evo with two Corsair SP120s. Once I get my processor, hopefully in the next week or so, then I will install that. Here's my MSI motherboard user guide, and also sadly I will not be keeping any of these boxes. So far almost all of them have gone to the recycle because I have no room in my room to put the boxes. However, shelves will be going up there, but they will really only be containing my lights and maybe some weather radios for display, because I can't put up any more weather radios than I have with my portable units, sadly. So they will hopefully be put up on display. So that's that. Yep, I'm still gonna wait to purchase my graphics card as well as my RAM and my storage, and even my fan controller, because I have insufficient funds right now, and considering the fact that, well, I don't have a job yet. I will be getting one soon though. So hopefully I'll have this thing completely set up and ready to go by the beginning of 2016. So anyways, I'm going to give you guys a quick startup of the unit to see what it looks like inside. Sorry, there's a little bit of dog hair on on the screen. However, if you look inside, there's plenty of airflow. So you have one LED strip down there, one's up here. I have both of my Corsair AF120s up there. Right now I haven't hooked up this one because I can't reach the upper god dang it. Sorry, the system fan socket number 1, which is up in this corner. Yeah, these fans are blocking it, and I don't feel like disassembling them for the 7th time. I have another AF120 down there. I have my AF140 and an SP140. Sorry, that gets kind of confusing. Then here's a Corsair sticker. That red LED. My Blu-ray drive. As well as my reset button. Let's see what this does. It does nothing right now. Maybe when I get the rest of the hardware, it'll do something. So yeah, I even discovered that the motherboard, my MSI 970 gaming board, lights up, and it even has LEDs off to the side. And so I'm going to get the remote for the LED strips, which is over here, and show you guys what they can really do. That is, if the sensor will receive the signal, since it's in the back of the case right now. Nope, apparently that's not going to be the case. My puns, though. Okay, there we go. See, so there's green, blue, even white as well. Now let's see what happens when we put on flash. It's pretty cool. And strobe. then fade and smooth. I honestly think the red looks really good with this. Now let's turn the brightness down. And I'm going to turn the brightness back up. So yeah, that's a quick little run through of what's inside the case so far and how the computer works. So I'm glad to say that I got it to this stage successfully. Right now there's not very much light inside because I'm not quite sure if the fans are running at the full 12 volts or not. Because they're looking kind of dim, honestly. But once I get my fan controller in, that should hopefully fix the issues. So now I'm going to turn it off and watch how cool this looks. Quickly fades out like that. Now that's sweet. So thank you guys for watching. I think this is part 5 or part 6 of the PC build series. Expect more to come within the next week to 2 weeks to maybe few months depending on funds. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys for the next video.